Hi guys, just thought I'd share this behind the scenes footage from a workshop I did earlier this year. It was Film Noir themed, and we did the rather classic but also rather cliche detective shot with the Venetian blinds. Still quite a bit of fun, and a lot of the guys hadn't shot this before, so we thought we'd give it a go. The previous video I did from this shoot was the poker player using the Electron lighting, but for this shot we were using the Aputure Mini 20 kit. So constant LEDs, they're a focusable Fresnel type light, which is perfect for this style of shot. We can get nice sharp shadows through the Venetian blinds. So I was using all three lights from the kit. One light just to shine directly through the Venetians and create the patterns on the background. Another one to give some hair light and hat light separation, and of course we use the main light to light Riel's face. Great thing about using constant LED light is that you can see exactly what you get. As you can see from the video footage, it looks very similar to what we achieved in the still shots, and you can really fine tune the spread from these lights using the barn doors and focusing between flood and spot. One downside is they aren't super bright, so you do need to use high ISO and fairly wide apertures to get enough exposure from them, especially from the distance we were working at. Obviously if you bring them in a lot closer to the subject, you'll get a much brighter result. So for the final shot we wanted to light Riel with the stream of light coming through the Venetian blinds. So that took a little bit of fiddling around just to get the shadows and highlights falling in the right spot. Just wanted that nice shaft of light to come right across her eyes. So after a bit of fiddling, we got the positioning right and the exposure correct, and we got some really good results. So there you have it, there's the detective film noir shoot using the Venetian blinds and the Aputure Mini 20 kit.